Welcome to YouTube School. Today we learn how to do plots in Microsoft Office Excel. We do it six ways. So let's start how to do it. Press the right button of mouse and click new. Write here a file's name Microsoft Excel and open You notice A, B, C, D, E, F column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 row. So at first you type a column 25, 50, 70, then you blank and 100. You blank a row, you type equal sum capital letter SUM first bracket you write A1 comma A2 comma A4 comma A3 comma and bracket close. Press enter. So you get total for 250. In the same way you do it again. You write equal SUM first bracket A1 to press A5, then first bracket close and same put enter button click. Third way, in column row 7 you write equal A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6, at last no plus, and click enter. So you get 1000. Four way of doing plus in Microsoft Excel sheet. So you write in a column equal 25 plus 50 plus 75 plus. Sixth way of doing plus in Microsoft Excel. So you write all word you on by on and gap a row and gap a row. Example, and you click auto sum. So you get a result. In another way to doing plus 7 ways. In this time we do by column. Here we do it by rows. So the in row 4 you put 125 and 125 you blank a god, then click auto sum, so you get 250. In the same way you write in the 8 ways you write equal A1 plus